it's just starting to get dark here. You kind of see the lights here, how nice they look there on the wall, with the 3 LED bulbs on the top and 3 LED bulbs on the bottom. And they light up along the back walkway here. I've been wanting to add some more outdoor lighting to my backyard area over by the pool. So luckily, I got these little LED solar wall lamps sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. All right, let me go ahead and open these up and show you what they look like. All right, this is what they look like here. You get 2 of them in each box. They got 3 LED lights on the bottom and 3 on the top, and then there's a solar panel there. Go ahead and pull off the sticker there. Got a nice solar panel on there. Seems like it's a good quality plastic here. It's got an on-off button there on the back, and then it's got 2 holes there where you can screw it into the wall. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set these up on the wall, and we'll see how they look. Peel off all the lighting, all the plastic there. There's a close-up there. You can see what the LED light bulbs look like. All right, we'll go ahead and get these set up. Let's see what else it comes with here. You also get the little stickers if you want to place them before you screw them. And then you get some little bags of hardware there with the screws and the little anchors there. And then you get a package of instructions here on how to get them all set up here and how to use them. You got the nice little instructions there. I'm going to be attaching some outdoor lighting to the wall here. Last time I used some big anchor bolts, and I think that was a bit much. So this time I'm just going to try some little anchors here. Just going to go ahead and drill some holes in here, and then I'll put some plastic sleeves in here, and I'll see if I can drill it in that way, because these lights aren't going to be that heavy. I got a piece of tape on here, and I traced the cut out there on the back where the holes go. So we'll just go ahead and drill this out real quick. All right, I got my hammer drill here, and then I got my little masonry drill bit in there. Go ahead and drill these out real quick here. All right, same thing over here. All right, I'll take my piece of tape off of here. There we go. All right, here's the little anchors that came with it, just these little plastic anchors. I'm going to go ahead and just hammer those in there. All right. Okay, got those hammered in there. We'll go ahead and get out the drill, and we'll screw in these little tiny holes here. Okay, just get these little tiny, just little itty bitty screws here. See those right there? Little tiny heads on them. Just go ahead and get this screwed in here. All right, I'll go get the lights and see how they fit. All right, that's on there pretty good now. Go ahead and hit the on button there in the back here. I think these have a light sensor on them, and they're probably not going to come on until it's nighttime, but and I might need to let it sit out here all day to charge up too. I'm not quite sure about that, because it's a little, the sun's setting down on the other side of the wall there, so I'm not sure if these will work tonight, but if not, we'll try them out tomorrow night. All right, there we go. Now we'll go ahead and put a few more down on the wall and see how they look. Okay, I got these lights up here on the back wall. They're just little itty bitty lights there, but they got these 3 big LED bulbs on the top, and then 3 more down there on the bottom. So they should come up really nice on the wall here. I don't remember if I turned this last one on over here or not. We'll go ahead and check. Yeah, it's off, so you want to make sure it's on. You see, I got the little hardware that came with it. I just drilled a hole in the wall and hammered in the little plastic sleeves there. I was a little bit off on my measurement. It's easy for the bit to slip with this being really porous here, so it slipped over a little bit, but with a little bit of a tap from a hammer, I was able to adjust it there. And then you just line it up on these holes in the back there. And then you just pull it down there into place. So yeah, these look pretty nice. Just have to wait till I'm pretty sure that they'll need to either charge up or there's a sensor on them, a light sensor that'll determine when it's dark. It's overcast right now and the sun's setting, so these didn't get a whole lot of sun. So I'm not sure if they'll come on tonight. I might have to wait till tomorrow night to check them out. But yeah, there they are. They look pretty nice. Little tiny lights on the wall there. Can't wait to see how they look. Here's the masonry drill bit that I used. I used this Tapcon carbide tipped concrete drill bit here. This is a 3/16 for use with concrete block here. It says concrete block and brick. So this is what I used to drill the holes. It was a size 3/16, and it worked great with the hardware that came with the lights. All right, there it is. There they are, all lit up out there. We'll go up and get a close look at them. They look really pretty. Yeah, it's just starting to get dark here. You kind of see the lights here, how nice they look there on the wall with the 3 LED bulbs on the top and 3 LED bulbs on the bottom. And they light up along the back walkway here. This is pretty nice to have a little bit of light out here. Yeah, these are really pretty. They put out just the right amount of light back here for decoration and ambiance. All right, there you go. There's the LED wall lighting. These things are pretty nice.